Eric Bakker, naturopath. Thanks for coming back. We're talking about salicylate sensitivity in this series. Can CanXida products help with this condition? Not really. This is not really a CanXida-related problem, okay? Not something that's going to help necessarily with. The CanXida Remove is more for getting your gut in a good shape, particularly for cleaning up unwanted visitors down there. A salicylate sensitivity generally means that your body has an issue with the salicylates in the diet, okay? But also from aspirin. If you're taking aspirin every single day, you need to be careful of that. So, could it help? Well, if you look at CanXida Restore, that's got enzymes in it, and enzymes are always beneficial for people who've got intolerances, okay? Because they seem to improve intolerances to a degree. So, CanXida Restore and CanXida Rebuild are good products to take with the salicylate issue. They're not necessarily required, but they will certainly help the condition. CanXida Remove to a lesser degree. It probably wouldn't do that much, but certainly if your gut has been messed up for a long time because of salicylates and you start getting problems, it may help. But the Restore and the Rebuild certainly would help. But again, they're not necessary. You don't have to take them. You're going to only really overcome this condition by identifying it for what it is and dealing with what's coming into the body and stimulating that unwanted response, and that's salicylates, okay? We've discussed that enough in this series now. I think this is about the 18th or 19th video in this series of salicylates. If you've got any questions, you know where they go, somewhere down in the boxes down, or I don't know how this stuff works. I find it all quite interesting, this internet. But yeah, there you have it. So that's my wrap up on salicylates. I hope you've gained some good information out of this series. If you do think you have a problem, please watch all of the videos if you can, one after the other, and or you can jump around them. It doesn't matter so much. But this is, really what I believe is the issue. I'll summarize it. Many people think they've got a salicylate problem. In fact, don't have a salicylate problem. Okay, it could be something else. Many people who take aspirin, who are ignorant, thinking they don't have a salicylate problem, may in fact have one and have symptoms that are being treated by other drugs. It's not uncommon for someone to take aspirin to develop a salicylate problem and to mitigate those symptoms with other pharmaceutical drugs. That to me is dumb, a dumb thing to do. Okay, why would you do that? That's like not being able to pay your mortgage and then going to a loan shark and then, getting money on 25-30% interest to pay your mortgage. I mean, you'd have to be silly to do things like that. So these are the sort of issues at stake here. But yeah, it's not a common problem. I wouldn't say it's extremely rare. It does exist, but you need to be mindful of it and try and get a good feel for it. Once you've watched these videos, you'll get an understanding if you've got the problem or not and be able to deal with it. And that's why I like creating these videos for this channel series on topics like this, where there's a lot of misinformation with online. So if you've got other specific topics, just ask, and if we get several people looking for a specific topic, I can do a whole series on those. Because this handout that you guys might want, the diet handout, this is one of over 300 handouts I've created for my clinic. Over 300, all right? It was good talking to you. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye then.